90% of the car owners in India choose a wrong product. I'm gonna decode you the best protection your car can have. Just bought a new car and here the confusion starts. What should I get for my car? Ceramic coating or a PPF? 90% of the car owners in India choose a wrong product. Reason? Nobody has made them explain in simple terms. Hi, I am Anckur Sama from CarzSpa. Now, in few minutes, I am gonna decode you the best protection your car can have. So let's start with PPF first. PPF is a thick, flexible film for physical damages on your car. If you are worried about scratches or impacts from stone or somebody writing on your car and traffic sense is very poor in your city and you are getting absurd with that my car is gonna hit and get physical damage, PPF is the right product and you can't beat PPF in physical damages protection. But remember, PPF is a premium product. It requires a very high skilled installation in a perfect environment and it's gonna cost you much beyond the normal ceramic coatings. So PPF is gonna be perfect solution for you if you are one who has a dark color car, drives a lot on highway, or you feel that traffic sense is very poor in your city and you are always fearful that somebody is gonna do scratches on my car and impacts is gonna ruin my color of the car. PPF is the only option you should look for. In nutshell, PPF is equal to protection from physical damages. Let's now understand what is ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is a chemical based thin protection layer applied on your car. Generally, there are plenty of terms attached. There are plenty of types of ceramic coating. There are variants called borophene coating, graphene coating. In chemical technology formula or whatever you want to understand in a layman's language, it's a chemical protection applied on a thin layer on your car. Now, it is only good if you are looking for damages from the environment. You are worried about that heavy sun rays because you park outside in the sun and the tea sap and everything is gonna damage your car. So it is just opposite to PPF. It does not protect from any kind of physical impacts. It's just pollution and environment. So if you are one who is driving mainly in city, maybe do not drive every day, maybe your traffic conditions are not that severe, you have couple of more cars, maybe your car is not that dark colored, you have a white or a silver car. In those conditions, do not overspend on a PPF. I would strongly suggest to get a good ceramic coating on your car. So ceramic coating is more affordable, it is easier to apply than PPF, doesn't need very high skill, but still it needs a good environment to be applied. Ceramic coating is gonna be a perfect solution for you if you are someone who is looking for very good gloss, easy maintenance, no water spots, and all those damages which is coming from pollution and environment, and a life of around couple of years where you can maintain your car at your home in very nice condition. So ceramic coating in nutshell means gloss and environment protection. So which one is the best solution? Frankly speaking, there is no best. What works for you is the best. If you want shine and environmental protection, go for ceramic coatings. If you want high protection from physical damages, go for PPF. If you're looking for both, then all your high impact areas in your car, get the PPF, rest of the areas get a ceramic coating. This is the most cost effective method to protect your car. So guys, stop getting confused. There are a lot of marketing buzzwords going around in the market. Understand your need, understand your environment, your road, your driving skill and your car, and choose the right product. If you still need a better clarity that what solution works best for me, drop into any CarzSpa studio nearby. I'm sure they will help you out to choose the right product. May not be the most expensive one. Lastly, guys, I assure you, me and my team, we keep a very close view on our comment section. If you have still any question, feel free to drop any comments. My team or me will personally make sure to help you out.